Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Springfield long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, you can count on us to provide the best services to ensure a smooth transition. We have the best staffing on the ground and are equipped with all the best tools to ensure your seamless relocation process. Many people need to learn the differences between a local distance and a long-distance move. For one, the equipment is significantly different from each other. You would need more equipment and human resources. Moving within a state is more accessible and less costly than moving out. In contrast, interstate travel requires more planning and well-thought-out preparation. At 3 Movers, we are the leading West Springfield moving companies providing both long-distance and local distance services to our customers. No matter the distance, you can ensure your belongings are safe and will arrive at your destination unscathed. You can trust us to move your possessions without mishaps. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Springfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form